Are you ready to change your body in just 4 weeks? The best part? No equipment needed. Bodyweight exercises are one of the most effective ways to get in shape, build strength, and burn fat. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's looking to push your limits, these 6 exercises will help you transform your body in just 4 weeks. Get ready to feel stronger, leaner, and more confident. Let's get started. The push-up is a classic exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, and it's excellent for building upper body strength. Proper form is key. Start by placing your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, keeping your body straight from head to heels, and lowering yourself down until your chest nearly touches the ground. Push yourself back up. If you're new to push-ups, start with knee push-ups and work your way up to full push-ups. Push-ups not only build upper body strength, but they also engage your core and help improve overall stability. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, and as you progress, increase the number of sets or reps. Squats are a powerhouse exercise for building lower body strength. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keep your chest up, and lower yourself down as if you're sitting into a chair. Your knees should stay behind your toes, and your hips should go back. Press through your heels to stand back up. Start with 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, and focus on form. Squats not only build muscle, but they also boost your metabolism and burn fat. As you get stronger, try adding jump squats to increase intensity and power. The plank is the ultimate core strengthening exercise, and it engages your entire body. To do it correctly, get into a forearm plank position, making sure your elbows are aligned under your shoulders, your body is straight, and your core is tight. Hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for 30 seconds to a minute per set. Planks work your abdominals, back, shoulders, and glutes. They help improve posture and stability while strengthening your core, which is essential for all other movements in your training. Lunges are fantastic for targeting your legs and glutes. To perform a lunge, take a big step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should hover just above the ground. Push through the heel of your front foot to return to standing, then repeat on the other leg. Lunges help build strength and stability in your legs, and they're great for improving balance. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg. If you want to increase the challenge, try walking lunges or add a jump lunge for more intensity. The glute bridge is perfect for targeting your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Push through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second and lower your hips back down. This exercise will help sculpt your glutes, improve hip stability, and relieve lower back pain. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, and focus on squeezing your glutes at the top of each rep for maximum activation. Mountain climbers are a full-body, cardio-focused exercise that targets your abs, arms, and legs while getting your heart rate up. Start in a plank position and quickly drive one knee towards your chest, then switch legs as if you were running in place. Keep your hips steady and engage your core throughout. Now that you know the exercises, let's talk about how to structure your 4-week transformation. Start with 3 days a week of bodyweight training, ensuring you rest for at least 1 day in between each workout. Here's how a typical workout week should look. As you progress, challenge yourself by increasing reps, sets, or incorporating variations. On non-training days, consider adding a 20-minute walk or light jog for additional fat burning. Consistency is key. In just 4 weeks, you'll start noticing changes in your body. More strength, more muscle tone, and a boost in confidence. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Keep pushing yourself, stay motivated, and most importantly, have fun along the way. Stay strong, stay consistent, and you'll see incredible results.